When I first decided to start my own clothing company, I went home and I sold around 90 hats with my next door neighbor. We sold these hats for $10 each in front of the New York Coliseum Mall and made $800 in a single day. At the same time, to make ends meet, I had a full-time job at Red Lobster, while still running FUBU in between those shifts. This is when I learned what it meant to rise and grind. I had to start writing down my goals. Was I gonna put in 5 hours a week, 10 hours a week, 100 hours a month into this business, and how much time was I gonna work at Red Lobster? What was my rise and what was my grind? I had to break down my grind daily, weekly, monthly, annually to see where I was going. I didn't think I was gonna build a billion-dollar corporation or a globally recognized name, but it was the step by step by step that I was taking every single day. And I didn't wait till January or wait till I had $1 million in sales or wait till I was perfect or all the stores wanted me, because the time was never perfect. I decided to start right away and start writing down my goals. What sacrifices are you going to take? How will you rise and grind?